Let me show you the tree once again. So this is the tree template of a tree diagram with blanks. It is used for classification, right? And now this is a paragraph. This is a tree diagram based on that paragraph. We can do either from paragraph to tree diagram or tree diagram to paragraph. Which one do you like to do now first?
Paragraph to tree.
Paragraph 2 start, sir.
Paragraph to tree, you want to, okay. Then go through the paragraph and draw the tree diagram for this. Go through the paragraph quickly and draw the tree diagram. If you have completed drawing the tree diagram, show it to the camera and mention your name. What is the paragraph talking about? What is the paragraph about? What is this paragraph about?
Polytechnic staff and principal.
Yeah.
Non-teaching staff.
Yeah, this is about polytechnics, principal and staff, teaching and non-teaching staff. Have you drawn? As this is the first one, please check whether it looks like this. Does it look like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this tells us about the teaching. You can have the heading also. I have not given the heading. Teaching and non-teaching staff of polytechnics.
Sir, can you please show the paragraph once?
Yeah, okay, sure. Read, compare both. The paragraph. Are there any missing points here? Have you gone through the table? Please check if any point is missing in the tree.
No, sir.
All the points are, see how graphic it is, it appears, it looks very beautiful and you can remember easily. Instead of, which is easy to remember, this one or this one?
This one, sir. One.
This one.
Picture is always
Tree
Tree
diagram.
easy to remember. This picture, it gives the information very clearly. Principal into two, teaching and non-teaching, or academic and administration. And each under teaching you have HOD, and under HOD you have lecturers, senior lecturers. Number of lecturers may be there. Instead of just one arrow, you can have 3 or 4 arrows. You know, in our college, in each department, one HOD is there, one senior lecturer is there, and 3 or 4 lecturers are there. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And in non-teaching, that is administration, administrative officer is there, Madam Jyoti Madam is there, you know, office superintendent is there, Srinivas sir, and Sachiraj sir, there is Sachiraj sir, Sujata Madam. Okay, one is senior assistant and one is junior assistant. So this is how you have to convert material. If this paragraph is given, you have to convert into tree diagram. If the tree is given, you have to convert it into the paragraph. This is what you are supposed to do. Now, the guidelines to convert the material into tree diagram. What are we, or from tree diagram to paragraph? What are the things you are supposed to do? Please read the points. When you convert a tree into a paragraph, what are the things you are supposed to do? Just exactly the same way we did with flowcharts. We have to state the main idea of the picture in the first sentence. So this tree diagram speaks about, or this tree diagram gives the information about the system in a polytechnic. That should be your first sentence. Okay. And then start describing the, no, it is not a process. Explain one branch completely and move on to the branches downwards. See, first, under principal, you have teaching, and under teaching, you have HOD, lecturer, senior lecturer, instructor. So this is how many branches are there to principal here in this tree diagram? Yes, are you there? Disconnect.
Yes, sir.
No, you are not. Two branches are there. One is teaching and another is not teaching. First, you describe the entire one branch, teaching or non-teaching, whatever it may be, and then go to the next branch. If there are more branches, you have to describe all the branches one by one. Okay, that is what you are supposed to do while converting a tree diagram into a paragraph. Use proper linkers and sequencers just like we did first, second, then next, later, etc. These are the linkers which we used even yesterday while converting a flowchart into a paragraph. Now, this is a tree diagram. Convert this into a paragraph. Earlier, you converted paragraph into a tree diagram. Convert this tree diagram into a paragraph quickly. You go through this tree diagram, convert it into paragraph. Can you see this clearly, or do you have to enlarge? I have enlarged. First, you have to write the introduction. The tree diagram gives us the information about the educational opportunities after SSC. That is the introduction. Yes, who wants to speak? Have you not completed writing the paragraph? Yes, you are taking a lot of time.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Swati, please read your passage.
The flowchart describes about education opportunities after SSC.
Hmm.
First, we have to study till SSC. Then we have to join in intermediate. After completing intermediate, we have to join in degree. And then we have choice. We have to do arts or science. Then we have to complete MBBS. Second, after completing SSC, we have to join in diploma in engineering. After completing diploma in engineering, we have to study BTech. After that, we will get employment.
Anybody else?
Sir, Dedipya from ECE.
Yeah, please, Deepya, please read your passage.
The given flowchart describes about educational opportunities after SCC.
Hmm.
The students who have completed SSC, they have 3 opportunities to bright their future. They
Right,
have
very good.
intermediate, diploma,
Yes.
and ITI. If
Hmm.
they choose intermediate for further studies, they can do degree, MBBS, and BTech.
Hmm.
If they choose diploma, they can do BTech or employment.
Yes.
Further, they can stand by themselves. If they choose ITI, they have only one choice, and that is employment. Thank you,
Right,
sir.
very good. Dedipya, I am hearing you for the first time. Have you attended class earlier?
Yes, sir.
Is it for the first time that you are speaking in the class? Okay, but you have done
Yes,
nicely.
sir.
Very beautiful description. That is exactly what you are supposed to do. Very good. Tanmay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you read
This
your
tree
passage?
diagram gives us information about educational. This tree diagram gives us information about educational opportunities after SSC.
Yeah.
After SSC, students have many options like inter, diploma, and ITI. In intermediate, you can choose MPC, BIPC, MEC, etc. Then then they can do degree in the groups you took in inter. You can also choose for diploma in various branches like EC, EEE, hotel management, etc. Later, you can do BTech. And you also have other option like ITI, that is Industrial Training Institute. This have only one option, that is employment. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Right. Very good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Anybody else?
Sir, I'm Manga from ECE, sir.
Yeah, Manga, please speak.
Yes, sir. This flowchart describes about education opportunities after SSC. After SSC, there are 3 options to choose: intermediate, diploma in engineering, and ITI. If you choose intermediate, there are we can do degree, MBBS, and BTech. Or if you're interested to take a diploma in engineering, you can take a BTech or employment also. Or you can take IIT after SSC. You can do only employment.
Yeah, right. Very good. Very good. Right, Manga. Now, see, can somebody tell me what is diploma in engineering? What is diploma in engineering?
Polytechnic.
Polytechnic, right? Diploma in engineering is nothing but polytechnic. But almost all of you have said ITI has only one option. Of course, you are right. But yeah, Jyoti wants to speak. You are right that there is only employment opportunity after ITI, but you have to highlight it as positive point, not as a negative point. You can't say after ITI they can only go for employment. Instead of saying that after ITI you can directly go for employment, right? After ITI you can directly become an employee. After diploma, polytechnic also, After Polytechnic, you have two choices, BTech or employment. After intermediate, you have number of choices. Actually, we can increase this tree diagram. We can further classify. We can classify degree into BA, BCom, BSc, and BA into various groups, BSc into various groups, BCom into various groups. And not only that, MPC is also there. In arts, MEC is also there. And in science also, you have number of degrees. BSc, MPC, BSc, BSc, BSc.
MBIPC.
Yeah, number of opportunities are there. We can further classify. We can increase this tree diagram. After MBBS, you have number of classifications. You have number of specialties and super specialties. After MBBS, MS and MD, and in MS you have various opportunities, and BTech also you have various degrees. Okay, this is just to give you an example of tree diagram, right? Nicely done by all of you. See, these are the three things you are supposed to do now. First, you do the first one. Draw a tree diagram of your family showing the last 3 generations. Write this question in your notebook and draw the tree diagram. Draw a tree diagram of your family showing the last 3 generations. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you start. Come on, you start. Is it possible, Tanmay, for you to zoom it on your mobile?
I'll try, sir.
Please try and show it horizontally. It is coming in vertical position. Yeah, right. Right. Can you just explain? Showing it with your finger? Yeah.
Yes, sir. My mother's mother and my mother's father.
Right, very good.
My grandmother, grandfather, sir. And my
Okay.
father's father and mother, my grandfather and grandmother.
Right, very good.
My mother and my father.
Right.
And the next generation is me and my brothers, sir.
Okay, right. Very good. Excellent. Right, correct. Correct. Anybody else? Right. Tanmay has given. This was the diagram given by Tanmay. Is it similar to yours, Tanmay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Almost the same or same? Yeah, in
Yes,
this
almost all same.
Same.
yeah, almost the same, because in this 4 generations are given, right?
Yes, sir.
4
Yes,
generations,
sir. 4 generations.
great grandpa, great grandma, they got married, grandpa was born, and great grandma, great grandpa, they got married and grandma was born, and grandpa
Granny.
and grandma got
And-
married, dad was born. And in the same way here also, great grandpa, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandma, and mom was born, and dad and mom got married, and I was born. Right? So this is a very clear
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
family tree. So instead of within brackets, you can give you the names also if you know. I don't think you know the names of your great grandpa and great grandma, right? I too don't know. Do you know? Does anybody know the names of great grandpa and great grandma?
No, sir.
No, most of us don't know. We know only up to grandfather. Mother's father and mother,
Yes, sir.
father's father and mother, we know. Who was the
Yes,
father
sir.
of our grandfather, we don't know. See, that is very tragic. We don't know even 4 generations of our family. That is very tragic. Try to find out your great grandparents. Names at least, if not photographs. Photographs, it is impossible to find out the photographs of your great grandparents. Okay, now this is what tree diagram is about. Now within 30 seconds, we are going to get disconnected, and let me